Just 3 words to attract money effortlessly. Law of attraction. Hey you there. Yeah, you. The one who's been checking their bank account more times than their Instagram, FB lately. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that 3 simple words could completely transform your financial situation? Hard to believe, right? Well, stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to share something that might just blow your mind, and hopefully your bank account too. But first, let me paint you a picture. Imagine waking up every morning, not to the sound of your alarm, but to the gentle ping of your phone notifying you of another deposit. Imagine walking into a store and buying whatever you want without even glancing at the price tag. Imagine finally being able to take that dream vacation, start that business, or help out your loved ones financially. Now snap back to reality. How does your current situation compare? Are you constantly juggling bills, watching your friends live it up on social media while you're eating noodles for the 3rd time this week? Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, you're always 2 steps behind where you want to be financially? I get it. I've been there. And let me tell you, it sucks. It's exhausting, it's demoralizing, and it can make you feel like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle of scarcity. But here's the truth. What if I told you that the key to breaking free from this cycle is already within you? That's right. The power to attract abundance into your life is literally at the tip of your tongue. Are you ready for it? Here are the 3 magic words. I accept abundance. Now before you roll your eyes and click away, hear me out. These aren't just empty words. They're a powerful affirmation that can rewire your brain and completely change your relationship with money. Let's break it down. This is about you taking ownership. You're not waiting for someone else to fix your financial situation. You're stepping up and taking control. Accept. This is crucial. How many times have you pushed away opportunities or blessings because you didn't feel worthy? By saying you accept, you're opening yourself up to receive. Abundance. This is the big one. You're not just accepting a little bit more, you're accepting abundance in all its forms. Now, I know what you're thinking. Come on, how can just saying these words make a difference? Well, let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was at rock bottom. I was changing my jobs, my savings were dwindling, no one to guide. One night, feeling utterly defeated, I stumbled across a video about the law of attraction. Skeptical but desperate, I decided to give it a shot. Every morning, I'd look in the mirror and say, I accept abundance. At first, it felt ridiculous, but I kept at it. And you know what? Things started to change. Not overnight, but gradually. I started noticing opportunities I'd overlooked before. A friend mentioned a job opening that turned out to be perfect for me. I found a $20 bill on the street. Small things at first, but they added up. The real change, though, was in my mindset. I stopped seeing myself as a victim of circumstance and started seeing myself as someone who deserved abundance. And when I did that, the universe responded. Now, I'm not saying that just saying these words will make money rain from the sky, but what they will do is shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. And when you do that, you start to see opportunities everywhere. But here's the thing, and this is important. You can't just say the words. You have to believe them. You have to feel them in your bones. And most importantly, you have to act on them. When you truly accept abundance, you stop making decisions from a place of fear. You start taking calculated risks. You invest in yourself. You pursue that business idea you've been sitting on. You ask for that raise you deserve. And here's where it gets really interesting. As you start to embody this abundance mindset, people will notice. They'll be drawn to your energy, and opportunities will start to flow your way. But let me be clear. This isn't about greed or materialism. True abundance isn't just about money. It's about having enough to live comfortably, to help others, to pursue your passions. So are you ready to transform your financial reality? Are you ready to step into abundance? Then start now, right this second. Say it with me. I accept abundance. Say it again, louder this time. I accept abundance. Now here's your homework. For the next 30 days, I want you to say these words every morning when you wake up and every night before you go to bed. Say them with conviction, feel them, believe them, and then watch what happens. Pay attention to the opportunities that come your way. Notice how your relationship with money starts to shift. Remember, you are worthy of abundance, you deserve financial freedom, and it all starts with those 3 simple words: I accept abundance. So what are you waiting for? Your abundant life is waiting for you. Go out there and claim it.